listen, let me grab your attention for a second because I got something crazy that I need to bless your timeline with, and it's the Prime Berry Refresher, and this thing is magnificente. I don't think that's how you say magnificent in Spanish, but we just gonna dive right into it, okay? Now, as you know, in the last episode, Snacks Lab blessed me with a mystery box, and I'm just going through it one by one and making drinks for you, okay? For you. Now, listen, you gotta believe me when I say that this refresher is top tier of my refreshers, probably because it's limited edition Auston Matthews Prime, okay? Let's do roughly 1 ounce of blue raspberry Torani and then 1 ounce of the banana cream. Go ahead and give that cup a few squeezies just to get that ice and flavor moving around. Then we're gonna top it off with the Auston Matthews Prime. Now, the main ingredients of the Prime is that coconut water. So I wanted to give it a good mix of the coconut milk so the flavors that I've concocted can complement each other the best. So we're just gonna grab our shaker, enter the measurements from the 24 ounce cup that we've made, and enter it in. Okay, now take your time with this because you can end up making a mess if you're not careful with entering into the shaker. And don't forget, guys, you can click the showcase button at the top of our TikTok homepage, and then you can find some of these things that I'm using in these videos so you can use them yourself. Now, after shaking it roughly for about 15 seconds, go ahead and enter everything back into your 24 ounce cup, and voila. Look at this cloudy blue art piece that we've created. We are creating art at this point, guys, okay? Just make sure you hit that like button and give us a follow.